This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's July 10th, 2019. So there I got a call for no cooling. This guy's got a couple of systems in his house. He got a couple of old Goodman systems in there. I've worked on them before. A couple of old brown turds outside. He says the second floor unit's not blowing in the air. So I don't know if it's the fan or might need Freon or a capacitor. I don't know. It's some old stuff over there if I remember right. So I'm on my way over there now. See what's going on with it. Try to get you some shots if I can. It's all cool. Fan kicked in. Alright, so filters are changed. I'll check the unit outside. The unit is running in here, so that's good.
It is.
Yeah.
So it's working up there now?
Well, it's probably low on gas, probably iced up. I don't know. Let me check it. Let me shut the first floor one off. Break them. It's in a corner over here. Look at this flipping mess. Unbelievable. How am I even going to get in there? I saw I got to cut some of these bushes to be able to be able to get in there. Unbelievable. Here we go. Give me some room. Get in there and find out what the hell's going on with it. Might be low on Freon. Down in the flipping Maya. Yeah, she's low on gas. Must have iced up. It's a 22 system. See our soup here at 41. Oh, good. Gotta bring that down to 20. Low on gas. In the flipping Maya. Alright guys, we're gonna give us some Freon. We got 39 down to like 20. How you doing? It probably didn't ice up. I don't think it's low enough to do that. Give it a little gas. Just flipping trees and everything. People don't take care of this stuff. Like to get a hose and hit this coil with it too. Well, here. Hit both of them quick. Get them a good flush. Cut some more of this shit out of the way so it can breathe. Got the first floor one off, so I know that this is the second floor one. Bring the tank back to the truck, I'll weigh it. So last time I brought it to the truck, this was the weight. So when I bring it back and weigh it, I'll know how much I used. That's how I do it. I am going to hit this coil on the way out with the garden hose. Hit this with the garden hose on the way out. Both of them. It's better. See, with 20 degrees superheat there, that's a little long. Clean this coil, that subcoolant will come down. Clean this coil. A little better there. That's good. I'm happy with that. But you should do this every so often. What happens is that coil will get dirty, right? And it won't work. I'm gonna go around and do both of them. Alright, hose them both down good. Give them to you. How you doing? Should be doing that as a homeowner, rinsing them off every so often.